The 2018 SCA Performance Ford F-150 Apex is our most affordable SCA truck package, but I'm about to show you why it still sits at the top of the lifted truck food chain. The SCA Ford Apex upholds the standards for quality, design, and performance that we've become known for by utilizing some of the same components that we incorporate into our higher-end truck packages, which is especially the case with the SCA True 6-inch suspension lift system, which takes a cross-member extender, upgraded control arms, a rear leaf spring block, and upgraded performance shocks to give you a stance that towers over the competition. Every SCA suspension component is FMVSS certified, carries an unprecedented 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty, and is tough enough to handle any off-road conditions you can put this truck through. To add to the solid foundation that's already been laid with the SCA True 6-inch suspension lift system, we've equipped this SCA Ford Apex with the SCA Signature 20x9 machine face gloss black accent wheels mounted on the Baja Champion BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 35 1250 20 tires. Not only is this wheel and tire package ready to perform, but it looks pretty doggone good too. And speaking of looks, let's talk about the design of the SCA Performance Ford Apex for just a minute. SCA exclusive pocket style fender flares with integrated mud deflectors give this SCA Ford Apex an aggressive look that is unlike anything you're gonna find on any lifted truck anywhere else on the market. The reason for that is because just like all other SCA components included in this SCA truck package, our team of designers creates the concepts that we utilize, and then we either manufacture those components in-house or we have them private label manufactured for us. So this SCA Ford Apex has not just been pieced together by parts that have been purchased off of a shelf. They have been hand-selected, expertly crafted, and are as unique as the passion-driven SCA truck owner who's driving. Black powder coat, 5-inch oval wheel-to-wheel side steps with SCA logo step pads and a functional third step provide a classic look and increased functionality with easier access to the truck bed. OE quality Apex and SCA Performance exterior badging show off which SCA truck package you're the proud owner of. And last but not least, nothing says that you've arrived and are ready to dominate like stainless steel, tastefully loud, dual performance exhaust. To see a comprehensive list of options and upgrades available for the SCA Ford Apex, just go to scaperformance.com/Ford-Apex. And when you're ready to start a new adventure in an SCA Performance truck, just go to scaperformance.com/How-To-Buy-SCA and you can get passion driven today.